Hey guys. Share this live, guys. Share this live. Post kayo sa X. Let's reach, I don't know, 200? 150 viewers? Rinig niyo ako? Hindi niyo ako rinig? Can you hear me? Can you hear my voice? Ayan. We can't hear you. Malakas music. Shucks. Talaga? Ayan. Okay na. Okay na yung levels. Yun. Alright. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome to my live stream. We reached 110 viewers. Shout out to 111 viewers na nandito ngayon. We have 7.2k hearts. Thank you for that. What time is it? 8:05 or 8:05? Alright, share this live stream. Let your friends know. Let everyone know that I'm live. My earrings, it's been forged in another dimension, so hindi na siya mahanap kahit saan. Yung materials niya galing sa ibang dimension pa, tapos naghanap pa akong blacksmith para, so you can't find my earrings anywhere. Limited edition, exactly. One of one. Are you playing online games? Now? No. I stopped playing games kasi I didn't want it to mess up my schedule. Plus, I'm not good at online games. Alright, patugtog daw ako all these ladies. Let's go, all these ladies. Guys, na-save niyo na ba yung all these ladies sa Spotify, Apple Music, wherever? Yes, done na daw. Good, good, good. We now have 100,000 plays sa all these ladies on Spotify. Thank you so much sa lahat na nag-stream. And if you have friends, let them know there's a really good song called All These Ladies. Make sure to let them hear it. para add to their playlist na yan, add to like songs. And of course, all these ladies are featured in a lot of different Spotify playlists. So, pag sinerch nyo yung BGYLPH sa X, makikita nyo dun kung anong Spotify playlist na feature yung all these ladies. So make sure i-stream nyo din dun yung all these ladies para, you know, para nice. My friends love your new song. Nice. Sabi ni Roch, kailan daw birthday ko? Guys, kailan daw birthday ko? Comment down below. Feb 13. You are right, Momon. Momon. Kuling mo paano malaman yun? Aaron, thank you for the pride flag. O nga pala, nakalimutan ko. Hindi na ako sanay mag-live stream. Thank you sa lahat ng Thank you sa lahat ng Thank you sa lahat ng nagsasend ng gifts. Lex, you know, thank you. Who's Mr. Swaggy? I'm not Mr. Swaggy. Cutie Smile 21, thank you. Ako si Lynn, thank you. We now have 135 viewers. Share it, guys. Let's reach 200. I'm doing good. Oh. Wala na. Sabi ni April Joy, pag ako na pinansin neto, mag-aaral na ulit ako for second year. Mag-aaral ka na, be. You study now. Study now. Right now. As in right now. Anong magandang anime panoorin? I just finished Fire Force Season 3. Kanina. Honestly, matagal ko nang stinart yung Fire Force, but hindi ako na-hook ng Fire Force. So, I had to force myself to watch Fire Force. Kasi may nakita akong clip na kay Benimaru. Sobrang angas. I wanted to see Benimaru sa anime. So, Season 1, slow start siya for me. It's not for me, Season 1. Okay lang. Pero yung lumabas sa si Benimaru sa Season 1, okay na. I'm good. Benimaru is the key. I like Fire Force na. Kung wala si Benimaru dun, I don't know, man. I don't think so. Nag-dinner na ba ako? Yes, no. I had late lunch, but it's too early for dinner. I ate around 5:30 p.m. Ako si Lynn, thank you sa community. Tito Corner, thank you. What's my favorite game? My favorite game is Fallout 3, Cyberpunk 2077, Metro Exodus. What else? Yeah, those three. Favorite part sa ATL? Of course, my first part. That's my favorite part. This part. My favorite part. Love 1,000 times. Yeah, that part. Stream ATL. Sabi ni Cosmic Kai, ATL currently on repeat. Nice. Plan mo patagalin yung blonde hair mo? Sana yes. No. Next week babalik na ako ng black. Tapos shave ko yung hair ko, skinhead. Mickey, did you grow a garden? No, I'm not a plant guy, sorry. Fred against Song Reco, the new one, Victory Lap with Skepta. Did you watch I Parry Everything? What is that? Anime? No, I haven't. Sorry. You like my black hair? I like my black hair too. But, you know, I have to go Super Saiyan, change up my look. Because honestly, medyo boring na yung hair ko. For the past, how many years have I been in BGYO? Oh my god, 4 years? I forgot. Yeah. So, you know, I have to change things up. Hi, Cha. Pag pinansin mo ako, di-dinner na ako, sabi ni Marie. Dinner ko. Oh, whoa, whoa! Looks good. I know, right? Thank you. What is that on my arm? My wrist? Oh, it's dirt. Sabi ni Haruguresu, biggest fan. Hello po. Shoutout sa'yo, Haruguresu, biggest fan ko lang. Try pink hair. I would love to, but not pink. You know, maybe. Who's the guy who had pink hair? I forgot. Siguro yung mga light pink, not the neon one. I would love to, but maybe on another year, another timeline. Wow. Brown. I tried brown. I don't like how brown looks like on my hair and my face, so I'm definitely not going back to brown again. I hate brown color for my look. I don't think it suits me well. So tanda ko pa daw ba si White Lady? Tatandaan ko pa si White Lady. So, laging may White Lady na sumasama sa akin live stream. Like, even before. Magko-face reveal na ba siya? Sabi ni Laika, BGYLPH reposted my TikTok video. Of course, we will repost. We will, when we see it, of course, we will repost it. Post nyo lang yung TikTok challenge, dance challenge for all these ladies or any content na kaya nyo shoot with all these ladies. To try namin repost yan kung nakita namin yan. Make sure to tag us and use the hashtag, but I forgot what the hashtag is, so just check out BGYPH. Wait, what hashtag is it? I think it's BGY underscore all these ladies. Yeah. Sabi ni Ann Ferrer, Mickey, isang high mag-work na daw siya. Mag-work ka na right now. Work. Priorities. Don't mind me. Focus on your stuff. Sa lahat ng mga nag-aaral dyan, nag-work, make sure focus kayo dun. Because that's very important. I'm not very important. Your work is, your school is. What is this song? Ba't nalipat? Did I enjoy Japan? Well, I did. Japan. Every place na pinunta namin sa Japan feels like nasa anime ako. But the first day landing, bro, it was hard for me to enjoy kasi the day of the flight 12:30 a.m. na ata ako nakauwi. So I had to pack and then we had to leave early kasi wala akong tulog. I couldn't sleep sa airplane. So pagdating ko ng Japan, yung first few hours, medyo hirap akong zombie ako. Buti na lang I found some coffee. It woke me up. So once I have coffee, okay na yung araw ko. Ganda daw ng color ng hair ko, sabi ni what is it? Oh my god. Avrilian E. Thank you. Who sent the... Someone sent the pride flag. Thank you for sending pride flag. Sorry I couldn't see your name. Who is that? Who's that? Sabi ni Momon, I'm on the treadmill right now watching you. Wow. I see. Fitness, Wala naman horror experience in Japan. Wala, I don't... No. Like, ghost? Mga ghost ba? Ay, no, wala. If you're talking about ghosts, no. I don't have... Kasi the ghosts are scared of me. They got nothing on me, bro. Uy, si Tracy nandito. Ikaw na ba ang hinahanap ng Team BGYO? Pag pinansin daw siya, matutulog na ng maaga. Sleep early. Get at least 7 hours of sleep. Sabi ni Team, Mickey, top 3 hardest BGYO choreo for me. Hardest... Number 1, I think would be Game On, Thai. Game On and Extraordinary. Yeah, Game On or Extraordinary. Thai sila. Number 1 spot. Number 2, I don't know. Basta those two, very hard to perform. Kasi nakakahingal talaga. My favorite OPM song. Damn, I don't know. There's a lot. Right now, give me a few minutes to think about it. Can't decide, bro. Good luck pala sa Tacloban performance bukas. Guys, nga pala, we will be going to Tacloban tomorrow. So, if you are in the area, kung nasa Tacloban kayo, samahan nyo kami. We will be performing there. Kita-kits tayo doon. Wait, let me see kung saan. BGYO PH on X. Tacloban. It's gonna be in RTR Plaza, 7 p.m. I think. Yeah, Tacloban Fiesta Celebration. See you there. Sino yung mga taga Tacloban dito? Is anyone here from Tacloban? Thank you, Hesaya, for your owl. I can't see it. Thank you for the sticker, for the gift. Sticker gift. Who's my GOT7 bias? My GOT7 bias is Jackson Wang. Jackson Wang, my favorite from GOT7. So, Shin, thank you for the love you gift. Ate Konicha, thank you for the rose. Thank you sa lahat na nag-send ng gifts. Ng stickers. Alam nito, this is from Fire Force. Thank you. It's like the Aces logo then. Lex thank you. Ate Konicha, thank you. Ate Lani, thank you for the rose. So yeah, if you guys are new sa aking live stream, my name is Mickey. I'm part of BGYO. And kakalabas lang ng bagong single namin, which is All These Ladies. Mapapakinggan nyo yan sa lahat ng music streaming apps. Just search BGYO, All These Ladies, and of course sa YouTube and Facebook nalabas na rin ang music video ng All These Ladies. So make sure to check it out. Yes sir. Ready KNB, ma? Kana ba? What? Ma MMK? What? Ate Sake, welcome back. Thank you for the finger heart. Supernov, thank you for the community. I putol yung text, sorry, I can't read. Gracia, thank you for the rose. Supernova, I think. Thank you. Cutie Smile, thank you. Team, thank you for the love you sticker. Mai, thank you, Mai. Walala, thank you. And Ate Konicha, thank you. There's a lot of people sending gifts. Thank you so much. Appreciate you guys. Buti natatandaan ko pa. Kasi nakakalimutan ako mag-thank you sa nagbibigay. Heart, thank you for the rose. Ang init ah. Na-miss na daw ako panoorin ng live. It's been a while since last time nag-live ako. So, next year na ulit ako mag-live. So, see you next year, guys. Ano ba tong song na to? Why does it keep on changing? Paano ba ulit-ulitin ng All These Ladies? Wala bang repeat? Oh, there. Yup, next year. See you next year. Heart pose daw. Heart pose. What's my favorite Chris Brown song? I think it is Chris Brown. I have a lot, man. I like Cold by Chris Brown. So Cold pala. So Cold and Residuals. There's one more I forgot. Sorry. Sabi ni Laika, always streaming all these. Thank you, Laika. Thank you sa lahat na nag-stream ng new single namin. Make sure to save it sa mga playlist nyo. And make sure to stream it also sa lahat ng playlist na naka-feature ang All These Ladies. Sabi ni Katsuki Bakugo, who are you? I'm Todoroki, bro. I'm Mickey from a boy group. Pinoy ba siya? Si Bakugo? Baka Japanese siya. How's my day? My day has been very tiring, bro. Damn, bro. I worked 10 a.m. No, 11 a.m. I worked until 4. I went to the gym 4 to 5. That's it. That's it. And then I slept before this live, kaya maguling boko. I slept for like, it's supposed to be 10 minutes, pero naging 30 minutes, so. Take a rest after this. I will. If wala akong mahanap na anime na gusto kong panoorin. Yeah. What's my daily perfume? Secret. Oh, there. Sabi ni Ali, see you tomorrow in Tacloban. Finally, we found someone na nasa Tacloban. Ali, see you there. Ito pala eh. Oh my gosh. Meron palang mas malaking... Pwede ko pala makita yung comments na mas malaki. Wow. Ngayon ko lang nalaman to. Swipe left. Yes, hotdog. We will be going to Tacloban tomorrow. So if you are in Tacloban, see you. It's going to be at... Wait, I forgot, bro. Wait. Tacloban tomorrow, 7 p.m. RTR Plaza? Justice Romualdez Street, downtown Tacloban City. Speakers Night, Tacloban Fiesta Celebration. Yes, sir, that one. That's 4 hours. Wow! 4 hours. Oh my god. 4 hours. Ang layo pala. Where are you from ba? Tacloban pala ang unang makakakita ng live performance ng all these ladies. So if you are near Tacloban or if you are in Tacloban, come join us tomorrow sa RTR Plaza sa Tacloban. We will be... Yeah, I think we said it na. First performance ng all these ladies. And ano pa pang ganap namin? Oh yeah, we will be performing sa Pride March 2025. So see you there. Where is it? I need more details. Oh, there. We will also be performing sa Diliman. Love Laban sa Diliman. Pride PH Festival 2025, June 28. So June 28 is it's near. 3 days from now. So see you there sa Diliman. And pupunta din kaming Thailand. We're going to Thailand and forgot the date. Oh my gosh. June 1? No, today's June. July. July 5, sabi ni BG Marian, yeah. Mas alam niyo pa. July 5, we will be going to Thailand. Kasama namin si Boss. Babalik din kami sa Thailand in August. Oh yeah! Mr. Magic All-Star Games pala. It'll be on July 20th, right? Tama. July 28th. Star Magic All-Star Games. I'm gonna play basketball. Si JL Akira will be playing sa men's volleyball. So, if you have time, buy your tickets now. Sip na. Buy your tickets now. It's gonna be fun. So, yeah. We are now at 173 viewers, 74. Shoutout sa lahat ng nag-send ng stickers. We are now at 112.7k hearts. Thank you sa mga nag-heart dyan. BG Marian, thank you for the love you sticker. Kyle Aquin, thank you for the fire sticker, bro. Kylie pala, I'm sorry. Kylie Aquin, thank you. Tin, thank you for the You're Awesome. Or You're Awesome? Is it You're Awesome sticker? Cutie Smile, thank you for the perfume sticker. Gift, I'm sorry. Gift, I think. Red hair? Ako, mag-red hair. Sabi. I did have red hair before. Magnet era. I think purple, violet siya. Naging red. Yung nag-fade siya. Dark red. So, sabi ni Chris, when I saw you last year sa Chowking event, bias agad kita. Ay! Laks! Grabe naman si Chris. Aaron, thank you for the pride flags. Madam, abangan nyo kung may next kaming event. Baka makapunta kayo. Actually, meron. Yung sinabi ko kanina. If you guys are free, come join us sa mga events namin. It'll be fun. Perform in front of new aces as well and OG aces. Red hair comeback. I don't know, man. Shout out Marisa Afante. Shout out sa'yo. Acting project. Acting. Nah, I'm focusing on music, so acting. Maybe in 20 years. Belle, thank you for the fire. You're so fire. Ala. Wala pala akong pants. Anong tatayo? Wait. Sisinga lang ako. And I'm back, bro. Oh, sorry. Sabi nga ako. Favorite basketball player? Luka Doncic. Loved your performance in Aurora. What's your name? Sabi niya. Thank you so much. Solid nga yung set list namin doon. Set track. What do you call it? Set list? Track list? But yeah. Make Egyo post. No! No! What's my favorite Japanese food? I don't know. Belle, thank you sa love you gift. Oh wait. Let me double check. Akin na lang jersey ko. No, this is my... No, I can't give you this one. This is from LeBron. Can't give you the GOAT's jersey, man. LeBron James. You watch Squid Game? No, I don't watch Squid Game. I'm sorry. What's my arm workout? For biceps, I lift, alam niyo yung L300, I lift that in the morning. Tapos pag uwi ko, I try to lift my bed. That's my bicep workout. Ginaganon ko. Thoughts on OKC? No. OKC? No. I don't count their championship win. Injured si Haliburton. I'm Pacers, man. At first, OKC ako. But when I saw yung generational run ni Tyrese Haliburton, bro, Tyrese deserves a ring. Come on, man. Why do Tyrese like that? Have you watched Bet on Netflix? No. I heard. Well, let's not talk about it. Tagalog challenge. Oh, game. Tagalog. Oh, game. Tagalog. Anong accent gusto nyo? Tagalog. Anong paborito kong hair color? Hair color ko na paborito ay kulay itim. Kulay itim, bro. Pure Chinese ka po. No, unfortunately, ako ay 40% lang. Pang-apat na 10 persentahe lang ako na insect. Yeah. Nasa ng sabaw? May ginagawa ba akong rap song? Yes, may ginagawa akong rap song for the group, and yung beat pero siya eh. Sa next live performance namin siguro gagawin namin. Kasi wala siyang beat talaga. Hingi lang ako ng beat kila JL or K-Nate. Gagawin lang sila. Give me a beat. Gagawin lang ako sa kanila. Kasi yung you guys really look cool sa MV. Salamat. If bago kayo dito sa akin live stream, guys, meron kaming bagong music video na lumabas na. So, make sure to watch it. Search nyo lang BGYO All These Ladies music video. Grabe na eye bags ko, man. I need sleep, bro. Damn. There you go. Yes, Mickey, give me some beat. Pretty MJ, see you tomorrow sa Pretty MJ. See you tomorrow sa Tacloban. Magkita-kita tayo doon. And masaya ako na makakapunta ka bukas sa aming performance. Oh, hi Mickey, are you genuinely happy? Of course I'm genuinely happy. Lahat po ng songs niya always streaming. Laika, you're the GOAT! Thank you for always, to everyone who's always streaming our songs. Thank you so much. You know, we appreciate you guys. And it's so fast. We are now at 100,000 place ng all these ladies sa Spotify. You guys know who you are. Tagalog, di ba? Sabi. Yan, meron na tayong 100,000 pindot sa bago naming kantang All These Ladies. Maraming salamat sa lahat ng nakikinig. Pataas pa ng pataas yan. Sabi ni Max, kaya na naman top artist ko. Ay, grabe naman Max. Salamat Max. Yep, see you sa UP sa 28. First time daw kami makikita ni Kel VG. See you sa 28. See you. Headlock daw. Hindi pwede. Blue lock lang pwede. Yes, kakantay namin ang new song namin tomorrow. So, yes, kakantahin namin ang bagong kanta namin bukas sa Tacloban. So, makita-kita tayo bukas sa Tacloban sa RTR Plaza, I think. 7. What is 7 in Tagalog? 7 ng gabi bukas. No. Spanish atin. Spanish. Siete? Alas 7. Yeah. You're right. Alas 7 ng gabi bukas sa Tacloban. Uy, Song Hoon nandito. Good luck daw sa basketball. Thank you so much. July 20, we will be performing. We will be playing sa Star Magic Games. See you there. Hope maka-picture ka po, Mickey. Sana magkita tayo doon, Pretty MJ. Bilis magpakita ng roots ko. It's been a month. What do you expect, bro? 1 inch? Is this 1 inch? Google. How long will my roots grow out after a month? 0.7 inches. Almost an inch. 1 month. Hair reveal? What do you mean, bro? This is my hair. I'm not wearing wig. How do I take care of my hair? I don't take care of my hair. It's all dried up. Of course it's dead. Ay, wow! Maupay na patron Tacloban. What does that mean, hotdog? Oh, may kita daw kami sa UK, sabi ni Zelm Aces. See you sa UK, guys. Ugh! Sipon ako. Nasaan laing ko? Oh yeah, I haven't eaten laing in a while. So, baka hanap ako ng laing mamaya. Happy birthday, Miker. Happy birthday sa'yo. Birthday daw niya ngayon. What time kami mag-perform sa DS on Saturday? I'm not sure. Ang bilis na ng comments. Sabi ni Mona, "Zup bro, zup man." Balik na daw kami Baguio, sabi ni Kath. I wanna go back to Baguio. Last time, kailan kami last nag Baguio? Sana makabalik kami. Solid yung crowd sa Baguio. Daming tao that time when we performed. So, shout out sa lahat ng kapamilya sa Baguio. Solid kayo last time we went there. Sobrang solid. Levy, thank you for the Rosa and the Love You sticker. Thank you for the community sticker as well. I don't take meds. The meds take me. Sabi ni Mika, see you in my dreams na lang talaga. Bibisita ba ako mamaya? Kumain na ba kayo, by the way? Kumain na ba kayo? Make sure, ayoko nagugutom kayo, guys. Kumain kayo on time. Well, technically, it's still 8. So, may 9 minutes pa kayo before dinner ends. I think. Right? 7 to 8 ang dinner. 6, 8. Kumain na kayo, guys, kasi hindi pa kayo kumakain. Kumain na kayo. And drink your water. Hydrate. Nagkaon ko na, love. Ay, hindi. Nagkaon ka na, love. Stream ATL, tama. Sabi ni Tin. 10 PM daw nagde-dinner sa Cielo. Ay. Diet, Ben. Diet. Part of your diet. Mickey, you need to sleep na. No, sleep needs me. That's the thing. Sabi ni Jazzy, Hoy daw. Hoy din. What's up, bro? We are now at 175, 76. Well, 74. Oh, 73. Oh, 74. 174 viewers. 179. Oh, okay. Okay. So sa mga bagong pasok dito, to everyone who joined my live stream and who doesn't know me, my name is Mickey and I'm part of a boy group, a boy band. In the Philippines, we are BGYO and we just released a new song. It's called All These Ladies. So make sure to listen to it. Check it out on all music streaming platforms, and the music video is also out now. Just search BGYO. All These Ladies. If hindi ako bagyo, anong gusto mo i-pursue? I don't know, man. Honestly, I don't know. Astronaut. I want to be an astronaut. Yeah. Lumaki na eyebags ko. Palakihin pa natin. Yan. Eggyo, no. You want me to do Eggyo? No chance. No chance. Better luck next life. Ulam idea daw. Ulam idea. Chow pan and sweet and sour fish. Haluan mo ng siopaw. Perfect meal. And after that, you drink something sweet and refreshing like Sprite. Yes, tama si Max. Bago kayo dito, we also released sakit sa mata. Bago kayo dito. No, too much. Nope. There. Bago kayo dito, may bagong music kami. BGYO, check it out. What does BGYO mean? What does BGYO mean? Let's ask Google. The name BGYO is an acronym of Becoming the Change, Going Further, You and I, Originally Filipino. There you go. Thanks, Google. My favorite movie. Favorite movie is I like a lot. I don't know. My favorite movies na lang, movies. Inception, I like. The Dark Knight 1, 2, and 3. Dune 1, Dune 2. Star Wars 1, Episode 1, 2, and 3. What else? Once Upon a Time in Hollywood, Inglourious Bast. I can't say it, but what else? My mind is not working, but so far yun yung natatanda ko. What is that movie? Interstellar. I like Interstellar. Ate Konicha, thank you for the "You're Awesome" sticker. Sabi ni Eduardo Guarin, Mickey, ba't ka nagpalit ng kulay ng buhok ko? Hindi, nakawig lang ako. Don't worry, my hair's still black. Nakawig lang ako. Don't worry. We Bicolanos make the best laing. Oh, Bicolanos, huh? I wanna try your laing. I was a dessert, what would I be? If I was a dessert, if I was a dessert, I'd be the Sahara Desert. Bars. Bars, bro. Bagay sa akin yung... Thank you. Hindi na nga natatanggal yung wig eh. Pero black pa rin naman siya. Hirap lang tanggalin ng wig. Thank you, Eduardo. Wait, sisinga lang ako. Hold on, okay? Hold on. Alright, I'm back. Skinhead naman ako next. Sure, why not, man? Why not? Next life. Sino daw mag-live bukas? I don't know. Hintayin nyo na lang sa DJYO PH sa X. What time? What's my favorite song? All These Ladies, man. That's my favorite song right now. If you guys are looking for a new song to listen to, All These Ladies by BGYO. So good. My Japan dump. You mean post? I don't know when. I haven't finished editing my pictures. After like 5 days siguro I'll post again. But for now, I'm focusing on All These Ladies content. So, abangan niya. And nilabas na din, sino favorite member ko sa BGYO? Mickey, man. That guy, so cool. When are you guys going to Thailand? July 5? We have a performance there, so kita-kita tayo sa Thailand. If you have time to visit, we will be there. And of course on August then we will be in Thailand again. See you there. August, madami coming out of the country, so yeah, it's gonna be a busy month. Good luck sa board exam mo, Naj. You know, my best friend din is gonna take his board exam. Iniwan na ako ng best friend ko. Hindi na nagpaparamdam kasi nag-aaral. Iniwan niya na ako mag-isa. Wala na akong kalaro mag Call of Duty. I'm sad. Pero yeah, you know, sa lahat ng mga nag-board exam dyan. Sa lahat na nag-board exam dyan, galingan nyo, study well, you guys will do great sa exam. Konting tease na lang sa review, alam ko nakakapagod talaga yan, tsaka nakaka-stress, but you know, once you pass, masaya. If aliens invited you to perform in space, what song would you sing? Oh, I'd perform BGYO, All These Ladies. Make sure to stream. But if not our song, I'd perform Darude Sandstorm. Yeah, that song. This one. Alam niyo tong song na to. Yeah, that meme song, I'd perform that in front of them. Or, you know what? No, not that one. This one, I'll perform this if may aliens. Yeah, this song. Yeah, yun yung tatlong song na i-perform ko if may aliens. All These Ladies, Darude Sandstorm, and Uiiai Spinning Cat. Yeah. Alright, I think it's time to rest. It's 9:06. I hope you guys had a good time with me sa live na to. Sorry, I'm tired, so if I don't know if napansin niyo, but you know, yeah. Make sure to stream our new single, All These Ladies, out now sa lahat ng streaming platforms, music streaming platforms, and our new music video is out now, so make sure to watch it. BGYO, All These Ladies. And if you haven't followed me here, alam ko madami sa inyo hindi pa nag-follow sa akin dito sa Twitter, sa TikTok. Make sure to follow me. Wala. There's a follow button. And of course, BGYO PH. Follow it sa lahat ng social media platforms. Alright. Alright, Hisaya, thank you. Joy, thank you. Sa lahat pala nag-send ng diamond, ng stickers, ng gift. Appreciate it. Tin, thank you, Tin. Yeah. Levy, thank you for the rose. Red Aragos, thank you. Hisaya, Tin, thank you again. Walala, thank you. Tin, thank you. Your name is in Korean. Sorry, I can't read it, but thank you. Mai. Thank you, Mai. Yeah. Thank you guys for 249.6k hearts. ECLNR_02. Thank you so much. Yeah. 250k na. 51. Thank you guys. Get some rest. Ate Kolicha, thank you for the rose. Yeah. Have a good night, everyone. We'll see you Tacloban tomorrow. And Diliman sa 28th. And July 5 sa Thailand. See you guys if you guys are in the area or if you guys are going there. See you guys. Stream all these ladies out now. Sir. Bye-bye. Uy, sakto, lobat ako. 10%. Kung di pa kayo kumain na kayo. Bye, guys!
Freelance, now she a free that she never let the bitch alone with my sweet mind. That a bitch get pit, popping in my Reeboks, talking about the detox, cause he like a beatbox, stop grown up, bitch, looking like Selena, not that booty. I need that blue white bitch on detox, chillin', T5, 2 left feet, them Reeboks, shawty did freelance, now she a free that she never let the bitch alone with my sweet mind. That a bitch get pit, popping in my Reeboks, talking about the detox, cause he like a beatbox, stop grown up, bitch, looking like Selena, not that booty. I need that blue white bitch on detox, chillin', T5, 2 left feet, them Reeboks, shawty did freelance, now she a free that she never let the bitch alone with my sweet mind.
Could've been certain, could've been a G. Should've never snitched white teeth to police. Now they're looking at you funny when you're walking down the street. Looking at you like food, trying to see where they can eat. Me, I'm like, well, I wouldn't deal with the game. You don't really wanna act silly, behave. When I was on stage and the million gets paid. I need that breeze. I feel sorry for Skepta, the company's low, but they say that it's a new flow. Imitation don't flatter me, but it's cool though. Should've ever